Hi everyone. So we received our CSIR UGC NET provisional answer keys on 8th of August, and by now many of you must have already checked your answer keys and you must have gotten a very raw scores in your hand. Now comes till when can we expect the final answer keys, because there were some questions that were challenged in both the morning shift and the evening shift. If you look into the previous trends of the examination results announcement, so by now within by the end of this particular week you should get your final answer keys, because if you look into the results of December examination or the previous year June examination, the results, the difference between your provisional answer key and your main answer key was approximately 2 weeks. So it's almost 2 weeks that is about to get over. So you can get your answer keys by the end of this week and you'll have your final idea of what your actual score is. Then you'll be having your scorecards and finally your cutoff, which will be released by the official authorities. Now comes because see, it will take some more time and you have your December examination coming around the corner. It's already end of August and you have your next cycle of examination in December. So a suggestion as from my end would be that if you feel like that there is not enough score on your end according to the calculations that you have done, I would suggest you to start preparing for the December examination and not wait for the final results, because see, it's already end of August. By next month, by mid of September, you'll have your final scores in your hand, right? Then you'll be left with only 2.5 months for your December examination. So again a vicious cycle will start. So it's better to utilize your time now itself and not wait for the final results. Condition, if you feel like that there is some lag and you have not performed well, so instead of waiting for the final results and then starting off with your revision and the preparation, I would suggest you start revising and start preparing back again, right? So this is just a short video for you all, because there's a long gap between the provisional answer keys and the main answer key, so a guidance is required in between. In addition, if you feel like that you need a revision course for yourself for the December examination, we have a crash course which we started on 20th of August. You can download our application and get yourself enrolled in the same. It is along with your hard copy notes. So if you feel like having a crash course for yourself, it's available in very minimal prices. So download our application and get yourself enrolled in the same, and make sure to utilize your time in the best manner possible. I hope this particular video was helpful. If yes, do give it a thumbs up and also download our application, and also do not forget to hit the subscribe button to Botany Insider. Thank you for watching this video. Good luck, take care everyone, and let's meet in further videos for the further informations which we can share for you all. Thank you for watching. Bye everyone. Take care.